Tapping into new veins, exploring opportunities and innovations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, tap into a new vein. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unpack what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations and writings. Tap into a new vein is a metaphorical expression derived from the literal action of mining, where miners would dig into the earth to find new veins of precious metals or minerals. In this context, a vein refers to a distinct layer of mineral embedded within rock, often containing valuable resources like gold or silver. When we use this phrase metaphorically, we're talking about accessing or discovering new sources of something valuable or beneficial, but not in the context of mining. Instead, it can refer to anything from ideas, opportunities, energy, markets, or even talents. 1. Innovation and ideas. A company might tap into a new vein of creativity by exploring cutting-edge technology, thereby discovering innovative product ideas that revolutionize the market. 2. Career and skills. An individual might tap into a new vein of personal talent or skill by trying out new hobbies or educational courses, leading to unexpected career opportunities or personal growth. 3. Social and cultural. By traveling or engaging with different cultures, one might tap into a new vein of understanding and appreciation for diversity, enriching their social perspectives and interpersonal relationships. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, adaptable to numerous contexts where discovering or leveraging new resources or potentials is involved. Context matters. Always consider the context in which you use the phrase. It's most suitable for situations involving innovation, discovery, or the exploration of new opportunities. Pair with descriptive language. Enhance your message by pairing this phrase with descriptive language that paints a clear picture of the new vein being tapped into. This makes your communication more vivid and engaging. Avoid overuse. While it's a powerful expression, using it sparingly ensures it retains its impact. Reserve it for moments when you truly want to emphasize the significance of a new discovery or opportunity. We hope this exploration into the phrase, tap into a new vein, has been enlightening and adds a valuable tool to your English language arsenal. Whether you're discussing innovations, personal growth, or new opportunities, this phrase can help you convey the excitement and potential of discovering something valuable and transformative. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the beautiful complexity of the English language. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your linguistic horizons.